In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an Eventbrite QR code. If you want to promote your event and make it easy for people to register or buy tickets, there are two simple ways to do it using the web. The best option for you will depend on whether you want the quickest built-in method or a little more flexibility in how the QR code looks and where you use it. The first option is the easiest because it uses Eventbrite's built-in promotional tools. Start by going to your event dashboard. Once you're there, click on Share. In the sharing area, look for flyers or promotional images. From there, you can download a flyer for your event. This is a great option if you want something fast and ready to use without creating anything manually. In some cases, these flyers already include a QR code that links directly to your event page. That means people can scan the code and be taken straight to the page where they can learn more, register, or buy tickets. If you're short on time, this is usually the most convenient choice. The second option gives you more flexibility. If you want to use your QR code in different designs, on custom marketing materials, or across multiple platforms, you can create one manually. To do that, copy your event page link from Eventbrite. This is the URL that takes people directly to your event page. Next, go to a QR code generator website. Paste your Eventbrite link into the generator, then click Generate. After that, download the QR code image. Once you have the image, you can share it in a variety of places, including Facebook, Instagram, printed posters, flyers, or email campaigns. This option is especially useful if you want full control over how and where the QR code appears in your promotion. There's one important thing to keep in mind here. You cannot manually extract a QR code directly from Eventbrite itself. Eventbrite QR codes are always connected to one of two things, either a ticket, which is an attendee QR code used for check-in, or your event URL, which is the type used for promotion. So if your goal is marketing, what you're really sharing is a QR code that points to your event page. To keep things simple, use Eventbrite's flyer tool if you want the fastest method, or create a manual QR code if you want more customization. Both approaches help people find your event quickly and make it easier for them to sign up.